yesterday we were able to get all of this out. Well, not out, but we got to about here, and then we kind of broke off. Took a long break. But what we did is we drilled the rivets and then pried it open with a crowbar. It took a lot less energy and just felt more effective given the task at hand. We tried grinding off with the angle grinder, but the sparks and all that other stuff to the windows, not really willing to jeopardize that or risk that. So this is what we did, and went to the store and I picked up some more drill bits. The ones that we used yesterday were awesome for what they were able to do. So I picked up 7 more of those bad boys just to make sure I don't have to go to the store anymore. But once I get that side, then I'm gonna take what's on all the stuff that I got smashed to the right side of the bus, scoot over to the left side of the bus, and I'm gonna keep this thing rolling. So got some more video coming for you guys. So after a day and a half of drilling rivets, this is as far as we've gotten so far, which I'm not ashamed of. Got some good work. We almost got a side done. We just got these 2 corners really just holding me up. And then I'm gonna start the madness behind me, but I was able to find some really strong rust spots that I know I need to take care of, so I'm glad we did. Where to start? Today is day 3 of me trying to get the walls off. I think at this point in time, I'm just going to try to take the grinder to as much of it as possible and try to get it done. I got to get this done by Friday. I want to start putting in my floors next week. So I feel like it's very important for me to get the walls done. I'm sorry, get the walls done before I get my floors in. That's my goal. You can see our baby Blue, who we're gonna lose. It's sad, but we're gonna lose her after we get the bus completely done. So that was a learning project for me to work on this. But yeah, so we shall see. Let's see what we can get done today. adhesive still stuck to these things. Here's what they look like beforehand. But I just don't have the patience to pick all that crap off. So I tried to find something I thought would make it at least look semi-decent, because I mean, it's going to be under our closet and bed anyway, so it's not going to be seen. But just for eyesores while the rest of the build is going on, I decided just to get some truck bed liner and just spray over this. Tell me if you think this is a good idea or not. What's up? So we are officially, in my book, demolition complete. Everything has been taken off the walls. The floor is about to get mopped, and then I am going to start painting. My paint is hidden from me, so demolition is finally complete. There's some things I am going to do with the seat, but when that time comes is when I will ultimately take that plunge. I've read too many horror stories of people taking apart their seat and then not getting their bus back together. So I want to get as much of the build done before I even tackle that possible problem. But I am very happy. It took a lot of work. I got some help from a few people. Uncle Bob, Milady came in here and helped me out do some things. She pulled out the installation and stuff. And yeah, dude. E-Bomb's glass. If you haven't checked him out, he makes some awesome glass pieces for any of you water pipe connoisseurs. But yeah, all those guys, they helped me out quite a bit, and I really do appreciate it. So thank you very much, you guys. And we're gonna put this on the speed reel so you guys can check me mopping and then painting with the lady tonight. All right, so stay tuned and keep watching. We got paint on. You're serious and stuff. So we got day 2. I'm getting this floor done, putting another coat on it, just a little bit more protection. Yeah, it's morning. I just got out of bed and just said, screw it, let's just go get this done. We got to move tomorrow. We hit our 14-day limit, so we like to move on Saturdays because, as we found in the past, if things go wrong, it's very hard to find mechanics and tow trucks on a Sunday. So because of that, we like to move out on Saturday morning. So if there's any issues, we can get it resolved, or at least get our rig into a shop. Since she is still very new to us, we're still learning about her. Other than that, but just getting this stuff done. And like I said, day 2 of painting. I'm just happy I don't have to be ripping anything out right now. So thanks, guys. So I'm actually getting ready to start doing the framing back there. So right now I just got my wood stuff situated. I'm about to get all this stuff, start cutting, and we're gonna make sure, hopefully we can get this cut right. Measure twice, cut once, isn't that what they say? So follow me on this adventure. Morning. So today is day 2. I'm going to try and get through these today, get these screws in. Yesterday I tried some screws that I bought and was not able to make it through. Everybody told me a little pre-drilling. I don't really want a pre-drill. Call it whatever you want. I want one shot, one kill. That's me. So this is what, so these are from yesterday. Find a future use for them. I got a recommendation from a gentleman on the Skoolie group in Facebook, and he recommended these. These are self-tappers, wood to metal, so we're gonna see if these work, and hopefully they do. We have all our framing done. Like I said, we got the little gas hole covered, fuel tank entrance framed also. So we got just cleaning up some stuff from doing all the construction, and we'll start getting this installation in. I already got some of it laid down right there just to see how it would fit. Fits perfect. So a little higher than the actual floor, which is kind of weird because this is supposed to be 1 inch and this is supposed to be 1 inch, so I don't know if that's really a problem. It just compressed when I put the wood down on there. So if you see, there's like a little spacing in the spaces. I'm going to put some when I finally do this, I'm going to put a little bit of adhesive sealant on the back, and then I'm also going to put some of that same sealant along the cracks. And I kind of did that back here already. It's my little workstation. But I kind of did that back here, and I think I'm going to do that along all the cracks along the wood. I got to get this better, but I just wanted to see what it was going to look like. And so I am going to do that along the whole base of the bus.
I can't think. What am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I can't.
So we got our subfloor done for the most part. Got the open area over there. It's gonna be my bathroom, so that's not filled up yet.